Welcome back today. It's your G Beto G, the beat maker, the hit maker. Today I'm back today with another hit. Today I'm going to be making Kansas trap beat, and it's going to be fire. It's going to be a hardcore. So follow the steps as I produce this trap beat. It's your trap beat maker, the hit maker, the G maker, but presently I'm in trap beat making. So I'm going to be making a beat, and it's going to be a trap beat, and it's going to be titled How to Make Kansas Trap Beat. If you are watching on your smart or Android device, make sure you smash the subscribe button so that anytime I drop new videos you will get notified. Let's get straight into my FL Studio and start programming our Kansas trap beat. Thank you so much. Right now I'm in my FL Studio. I'm going to pick a good plugin to start programming the Kansas trap beat. Now I'm going to pick today. The plugin I'm going to use today is going to be called, let me just pick this plug. This one is called plug. I'm going to write the channel 5 on my mixer, left click, right click, and up on my piano roll. I'm going to use this plug to create my Kansas trap beat. This is a plugin, plugged. This is here. I'm going to use this one. It's going to be a Kansas trap beat. Now I've just created a simple melody. Now I'm going to mix it using my Fruity Reverb tool, and I'm going to add a Fruity Delay too. I'm going to pick another sound again, and this time I'm going to pick FL keys for another second melody. Now I'm going to wrap the channel 6. I'm mixing my second melody using my Fruity Reverb tool. Now I'm going to program my hi-hats now. I'm going to left click and up on the piano roll. programming my hi-hat. Now I'm going to Control A to highlight my note and pitch it up and down to see the that sounds very good. But first I'll pitch it up. And this one sounds good because I've pitched it up. I will then on my mixer I'll bring up the volume of my hi-hat and add the sound recognizer. Now I'm going to program my snare. Programming my snare using the default snare app. Now this is my Kansas sharp beats. I'm going to use my favorite kick. I'm going to boost my kick now up, and this is the main source. Left click and split by channel. I'm going to split and left click by channel. Now I'm going to arrange my beat to create the space on intro and outro. Spicing up my beats. Next thing is I'm going to create a percussion here for an intro, and it's going to be a hi-hat and here and the outro here. Then I'm going to add an automation clip. I'll create an automation clip. When creating an automation clip, make sure you put your mouse like this, left click. Then you can see And if you check my playlist, you see that I've already created an automation. What the automation does is it reduces the volume up and down. Now let's listen to my Kansas trap beat. Listen to my full Kansas trap beat now. This is the intro. I've already reversed the polarity, swap left and right. As you can see, the beat is a hardcore. It's sounding very sweet, very good. This is my outro. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for new videos on my YouTube channel.